Hi, Richard here, 600 Machine Tools. I'm one of the directors of the business.
Can you just take me through what kind of industries is this machine specifically used for?
So, this machine is used in a wide range of applications from automotive, uh, general engineering, hydraulics. It's a wide range. It's a very versatile machine. So, it fits most of the spectrums.
Can you take me through the maximum lengths and diameters of the machine itself?
So as the machine stands currently, we've got maximum turning length of 482, maximum cutting of 320. It's got an 8-inch chuck on it, 65 bar capacity, 15 kilowatt spindle motor, 12 station turret. You can run from 0 to 4,000 RPM. Obviously you've got a 15 kilowatt motor, so nice torque levels. You can take fairly decent sized cuts. And you can make from anything sort of from, I would say, 6 mils to sort of 300 diameter cuts of range. It's very capable. Got 12 stations in the turret. It takes 25 by 25 shank tooling. So we at 600, we like to recommend eScar, but only because we've got a long-standing relationship with them, and their support levels are probably the best in the industry. But yeah, you can use any tooling, and the machine itself comes with all the block mount tooling, the usual holders, the boring bar holders, and all the sleeves. These standard accessories.